I am going to miss fries and pasta and sugar. I'm going to miss fries, pasta and sugar, but God, I really need this to work out for me because I want to be healthy. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essie here. So today we are going to do this a different way because there's something I really wanted to do. I didn't have a plan. I just woke up one day and decided to do. I really want to lose my weight because I'm currently at 88 kilograms and it is really difficult because before I gave birth I was really tiny, and then all of a sudden I blew up, and I wanted to manage my weight because the doctor told me that if I don't manage it, my pressure is still going to itashinda ikinisumbua. So welcome. I wanted to tell you it's like a life update of how I exactly felt because I've been 4 days into it and I'm really happy. So I am athletic. I love being athletic. I was a dancer before, so I want to go back to that life. Of course I loved it, but mainly I did this mainly because I want to be healthy. I want to fit into some clothes, and I just want to go back to the petite life I had before. So the first day I did the workout, I'm going to post a video here because this is my first day working out. I will show you the time I just worked out in my house, and I think it's a good thing. Guys, it's not easy, but we're going to get there. I've done this workout at 8 p.m. in the night, so there's no time you cannot work out. So our journey to 60 kg starts now. I am currently at 88. I added weight. I nimeanza kupunguza juu intermittent fasting, but now I've added weight, and I just woke up one day and decided, yeah, I'm going to shed this weight. I'm too big. I can't walk fast. I can't do some things. I cannot. Sometimes I'm too tired for nothing, and I want to lose this weight. No, I really do want to lose this weight. So guys, I have started with my journey, and I am really thankful for my hubby who has been there, who is always challenging me every day. So be with me, bear with me as I start this journey. I will be doing weekly videos on my workout plan. I cannot shoot myself as I work out because I suck at it right now. I can barely jump, but I'm trying. Yesterday I did the other day I did the 8-minute workout, and then the 15-minute workout, and then they keep challenging you. They keep on working on your muscle. You specifically say you want to lose weight, you don't want to keep fit, don't want abs, you just want to shed all the weight, and then they give you the specific workouts you're going to do, and then they give you your meal plan. You have to have a meal plan because this is how 88 kgs look like. I am going to work on this body until I get the shape I want. I'm using for my weight loss journey. I found out about this app through my friend Triza. It shows you exactly what you have done and if you have cheated, so it's a very good app. 85% is how you eat and 15% is exercise, but trust me, this exercise is going to work. How do I currently feel? My legs burn. I cannot go to the toilet really well, but I'm gonna get there. So let's do this. Let's lose this weight. Let's make our life better. I wanted to give you a life update because, guys, if people know me, I'm addicted to chipo. I am addicted to fries. I was addicted to fries. So for me not to take fries since 5 days ago, trust me, is an achievement. So I'm going to do this, not only for my baby girl, for my health, for my hubby, and for my friends, for myself. Firstly is for myself. So I am happy. I've decided to do this, and I will I don't want to make it like an obsession or anything. I just want to be fit. It's not easy. People think it's easy for us as carers to work out. It's not easy, my friend. I've not worked out in 2 years, and it's really, really, really hard. So yeah, guys, I wanted to give you that life update. I I am keep on keeping on. People tell me to keep on keeping on, and it's good. I think I am going to be, let's say I'm going to be okay, because I have all the support I need. I have that app, I have my friends, I have everyone behind me. So I will let you guys know. So these are the things I do when I work out. So I have officially decided to start losing weight. I decided that 4 days ago. So this is the journey I want to do. So guys, be with me, bear with me. Let's move forward. I don't want to do it the military way. I'm too lazy right now, but if ikifikia hapo, I think it will be a good thing. So yeah, thank you guys for listening to my shenanigans, to my life update. Subscribe to my channel. Let this journey begin. It's going to be difficult. There are going to be tears. I'm going to document everything for you guys so that you can see. And yes, I will. It's going to be a good, it's going to be a journey. But yeah. So to prove that I'm eating right, let me show you guys. Emma alikula hii mkate asubuhi. Yes, my friend Emma. You know her, right? I hate brown bread. My god. Hey, wait, I have to talk about some things. There's some things I hate about this. Of course, when you're eating healthy, you have to minus some of the things. I'm going to miss chips. My god. Fries. My goodness. Fries. I am going to miss fries. Fries and pasta and sugar. I'm going to miss fries, pasta and sugar. But god, I really need this to work out for me because I want to be healthy. So guys, subscribe to my channel as I start this journey. I need you to see how I look right now. I really need you to see venye ninatosha sahi, because it's a struggle. It is a struggle. Trust me, it is a struggle. I'm going to talk about that later, but now I just wanted you guys to know that I've started a journey, and I'm going to be updating you all on my weight loss journey and my nutrition and my workouts and everything. So bye guys, let's meet the next vlog. See ya.